to tell them, hey, I love your idea, I love your project, but this is what I have to do to develop it, and you probably don't have enough usage for me to say yes to the project. I guarantee that most of you in the chat will be having that conversation with your stakeholders at some point in the future. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's why 56 jumped out at me, because as soon as somebody tells me that, I have to shift the conversation in that direction. I'm referring to my corporate clients, right? As soon as they tell me that, I have to shift that conversation, because it's just not enough. It's not enough data, and it's not enough usage, right? It's kind of like a correlated problem that way. So keep that in mind, guys. These are the things that you're going to have to do to take yourself beyond academic study and into working as a data science professional. So thank you for the question, Akib. Really interesting. Mitra Sadine says, I am working at a tier 1 research company and had the chance to work on cognition. Our tool is primarily to give you actual decision-making abilities through cognition to data scientists. Great. We did really well in an international math Olympiad and can't wait to show you guys some stuff. Okay. If you want, like I said, you can reach out to me, or, you can also post some stuff in the Discord. We have a very active Discord. If you want to get feedback from the greater, data science with Dennis community, you're certainly welcome to do that. Part of the reason why I did start the Discord was to encourage people to help each other. And, the answers don't always have to come from me, right? So I'd love to have you guys, help each other. And if you want, that sounds like something that'd be good for you to post. If it's something that you can post, right? You don't want to violate any client issues there. But, thanks so much for sharing that.